Okay, good morning. Good morning to Lincoln. So today is the day that I walk the NWA Fashion Week fashion show. I did this last year, but I didn't make a video out of it, so I'm excited. I'm also walking it with Kendall, my sister, and Elise, my best friend, and Bia, my other best friend. I've done a video with Elise and Bia before. I've done like a outfit video with Bia, and I did a tarot card reading with my friend Elise. So you guys are gonna see them today, and of course Kendall. And yeah, it's gonna be one big party, and we don't walk until at the very end of the night, but we have to be there at 3, and there's gonna be makeup artists and hair people that are gonna be fixing us up, and yeah, we all have our different outfits. And I'm also gonna introduce you guys to the owner of clothing line that we're gonna be wearing. She's amazing. You guys are gonna love her. And yeah, all of these items are very vintage and very creative, and I don't know, I'm really excited that I'm deciding to make a video out of this because it's gonna be fun, and there's gonna be a lot of waiting around. Whenever you actually walk, it's like such a rush, like it's actually so worth it, but there's a lot of waiting, so I'm excited to see what I can turn into content while I'm waiting. I do have a business call about my merch. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think this is the video I'm gonna announce my new merch in as well. But I have a business call today at 1 o'clock. That's with 6 Supply, which is my new merch company. But yeah. Okay guys, so I just had my business call and I'm so excited. I just had to do a lot of number math and decide on a bunch of different stuff, but I need to show you guys my freaking merch. It's finally time that I reveal the new design to you. If you guys liked my old merch, then you're in for a treat because I'm relaunching that design but in way higher quality. I noticed that with the first launch, it wasn't as great of quality as I wanted it to be. It wasn't as sustainable as I wanted it to be, and I'm happy to tell you that this new merch is 100% cotton. It's all premium. It's gonna be some of the most high quality stuff in your closet if you get it, so it should last you for a very long time, so just keep that in mind. I tried to be as low with prices as I could be for you guys so it's affordable, but yes, it is very high quality, so I am super excited about it. Anyways, I am first going to go over with you that I have the hoodie. It's going to be available in white and blue. When it came to colors of my first merch drop, those are the two colors that did the best, so I am actually in love with this hoodie. This hoodie is a size small, and Abel also put it on and it actually fits him pretty well, so I'll have you know that a small is not too small. Unless you really want a big cozy hoodie, I would maybe go for a medium. If you want a good nice fitted hoodie, the small is pretty nice. Okay, and then let's get to the new design. It is a drawing of a wave, and it actually says create your own wave, and it honestly really characterizes this year for me because I've really learned how trying to be like other people, it's just never gonna be the right path. You literally have to create your own vision, create your own plan, screw everyone's path that they tell you to go on. It's always easier for other people to tell you what to do with your life rather than say what they're gonna do with their life. You have to be your own visionary basically. You have to create your own wave, and it takes me back to the quote of shit, I'm so bad. It's the quote that's a really good metaphor for how we are. We are like waves in the ocean, each with a unique character and quality on the surface, but deep down we are eternally connected to one another and to the ocean as a whole. If you practice looking beyond the surface of appearances, you'll begin to see the true being that lies within each form. You will see your consciousness looking through the eyes of another, and it is when you see yourself in another, you cannot help but develop compassion for them, because in truth, there is no them, there is only you, experiencing yourself from an inconceivable amount of perspectives. I had to do that quote justice. That was Joseph P. Kaufman, and I've always had a certain magnetism towards the ocean. and shit like that. The shirt is also available in black and pink. It's like a light baby pink. It's a pretty pink. They're available for $25. So I hope you guys enjoy this new design. I'm kind of nervous, excited to see what you guys are gonna think about it, but it will be available on Wednesday, October 9th. That's in 2 days. I'm posting this on Monday night. You're gonna see that I'm gonna be posting about it. So yeah, and if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. But I gotta go. Enjoy this video. Okay, I'm gonna turn the AC down. I just got in the car, so it's really hot, but I don't want the audio to be shit for you guys. But I just got in the car on my way to pick up Kendall and then pick up, I should have fucking gone just then. I'm so upset with myself right now. Sometimes you just gotta do the zoom, you know? So, I'm going to pick up Kendall and then I'm going to pick up Bia and then I'm going there because Elise is actually driving herself. And I'm also filming on my phone, so that's why I can't jam out with you guys, but also I don't really love to jam out with you guys. Well, I mean, I do love to jam out with you guys, but it's hard to put it in a video because I always get demonetized, like even if I try to make it a small section of the song. And with my amount of views, like I need my videos being monetized, bitch. Like I'm a full-time YouTuber. It just sucks though, because those are always the funnest, because I fucking love music. I'm a big music person. Almost to my sister's house. What's up, Ken?
What's up?
How's your day been?
It's been good.
Wait, so like, do you know what face you're gonna make?
Serious face.
Okay.
Strut face. I don't know.
Like, you're gonna raise your eyebrows at all? Like,
No. But like what we did last year.
I don't even know what I did last year. I feel like I never even got to see the actual like footage of when I posed. Can you move?
Your hair looks purple.
In a good way?
Yeah.
I left mine in for like the whole time I was cleaning my body. Like I let it sit in my hair.
You ready?
Hey.
Yeah. Wait, are you guys wearing normal clothes to this?
What do you mean normal clothes? What's
I
that?
just threw something on.
I mean,
just was
I'm
hot.
wearing like my stretches, skinny jeans, Converse, and a t-shirt with my merch.
Wait, I have a question. Did you guys bring clothes in case we go to the after party?
That's why I wore this dress, because it's comfy and it's like easy to go out in. If we do.
Did you?
There is.
No, I didn't.
I don't know. I'm gonna sit in the middle.
Bye, tees. Oh, hi, tees. Oh shit!
Like,
Buckle
hold
up,
on.
sweetie.
Took a really big turn.
Sorry, I really whipped it there. Wait, is this an airport?
Yeah.
There's like a restaurant
We're
there.
gonna be
Yeah.
doing a fashion show.
They said bring lunch.
Yeah, in an email.
I didn't do that.
I didn't do that.
Me either.
Maybe we can just leave.
I think they're gonna be mad at us because they said like be there at 3.
It's like 4.
I know, and like
Stay tuned. On a go-kart.
I just saw someone's car from hair school.
We made it. Oh, we did forget to go to Starbucks. Damn it. Oh, thank you. Feels so special.
And then yes, they are with one-man band.
Practicing our walks.
Yeah.
Going to hair and makeup.
Yeah, they used the makeup that like.
I just remember it was like
Everyone is just sitting and waiting.
Hand cam. This is Emily, our designer. Say hello.
This is our designer for the night, and we're currently doing her makeup.
Yeah, Hannah's doing her makeup.
I'm doing the makeup that she brought.
it is minimalism at best.
I'm being challenged right now.
Ziploc bag challenge.
Yeah. But it's working nonetheless.
Yes, of
Bia's our
course.
camera girl.
Hey.
Here's my eyebrow brush.
Oh yes, this is what
Or thing. It goes this thing.
Oh, it just fell out.
No, that was the lid.
No, that was the lid.
Oh my god, is it done?
Wait. No. I think look, this just
Oh
fell
my god,
out.
I'm so scared of this plane.
Wait, Hannah, do you want another palette?
Oh yeah, give him another palette.
Or my fave?
Here, use this.
What?
I
I knew somebody would have something better than that.
Smell it. It smells like chocolate. So this is the food we have here.
As you can see, organic, cruelty-free.
We're waiting to get our hair and makeup done.
Debating ordering Postmates. Probably not gonna though.
Because we're trapped.
We're trapped. Think they'd be mad if I went ahead and covered my pimple before I got to hair and makeup?
Probably not. You'll be fine.
Okay.
How is it coming?
Well,
I feel so cute.
Oh yeah. I like that. It's pretty. That's a good palette.
Who's that?
This is
palette is this?
Elise's.
You're the best, Elise.
Okay.
Alright, bitch.
Elise, show the free t-shirts.
minimalist design. A little pocket. In the back just says NWA Fashion.
Oh my god, this is a beautiful shot of the plane.
This is mine, by the way. I don't know if you knew. Yeah, this is my private jet. I like to call it a PJ.
Look, we're at the tip. Stop. Oh my god, look, a wig.
Cute.
Do you want a medium or a large?
A medium.
Okay.
What are y'all getting?
T-shirts.
Yes, I love that.
I've already forgotten.
Her look is escalating.
Oh yeah. Wait, do you have
Close your
concealer?
eyes.
Elise has concealer.
I need concealer, bitch.
That's it. That's a good one.
Graceless.
I love it already.
What?
What?
Oh my god.
Drip.
So excited.
Wait. Yeah, this is like such a good shade match for you. What?
Did not how to smooth it today, y'all. It was so thick I had to get it out with a spoon.
I just did Emily's makeup. She looks so stunning. Yes, queen. And then now it's time to do mine.
It's so crazy. Like, I just saw an Instagram of it yesterday.
What do I look like?
First time I'm seeing my hair.
She wildin'?
Okay, I just got done with makeup.
We have 3 minutes until we go on.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait, here, hold this while I get dressed.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Took forever for Hannah's makeup to get done.
Oh, I love that top.
Sparkly.
Okay, everyone is ready. Rocking their looks. Ooh. Hey. Now can you tell me what are you doing? Tell me, what's your inspo? What
Sustainability and
So you find all these pieces yourself.
yeah, I'd say every outfit costs under $20. And I did upcycle some stuff, but like I had zero intention whenever I was actually putting it together. Just started with one outfit and then I made every other one kind of accidentally coincide.
Okay.
But it didn't have any like specific vision. I did have a tiny vision board, but it's terrible. Anyway, yeah, no big nothing.
Well, we're gonna rock their bottoms off.
I'm excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Someone's in the bathroom. Hey. So cute. Yes, queen. You did it! Yay! Oh my gosh, it was such a rush. Hopefully my mom recorded it and that's to where we have good content to show you guys.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I even showed you guys my outfit.
80 degrees FYI, so.
Come on.
Here.
I look like a freaking dog. Yes! Yes, queens! Yes, yes. Actually, that's a look. Okay guys, so we're back at my place and me and Bia have decided that the party is not over yet.
After party time.
Yes, it's model after party time. So I need to put my landing on, but we have our little party fits on.
A little simple but chic. We're gonna go to Taco Bell.
Oh yeah, first we are going to Taco Bell.
Bitch is hungry. We're gonna get that black bean crunch wrap supreme.
Oh my god, you can't even see your face.
Off the vegetarian menu.
Hey. Is ankle better?
This is really not doing me justice. We're officially ghost toes in the corner of Taco Bell. Oh shit.
We walked to a Missy Elliott song while we were backstage. Some people got yelled at.
It was so scary. Literally, the director of the entire show was like yelling. We were seconds before we were about to walk. We were literally already having adrenaline feeling, and we just needed good vibes. Okay, this is the moment we needed good vibes.
I'm about to walk in front of a bunch of people, then picture take them.
And then we look to our left. Actually, we just hear to our left. We don't even have to look yet. This bitch is screaming at these sweet girls who obviously were misled. And no, it wasn't their fault. But she was like, to yell her anger out.
They didn't tell you that you're supposed to be out there right now. I can't effing believe this.
The vibes were ruined. Just everyone was just like looking at each other like, oh my god, I'm scared.
Kendall, say hello to our vlog. Hi. Okay, shoot your shot. Ping pong warriors. Wow.
I'm not that good.
Did you see me run?
Why did you run away from me? Did I embarrass you that much?
No. No.
Well, we're at this party. We found
At the after party.
we found a little VW van to take photo booth pics in.
Yeah, it's got this little ring light. Okay,
She's like, let me take control of the situation.
so you can make your own t-shirt here, and there's a pizza truck, and Abel and Kendall's boyfriend are here, and mine's writing an essay. Anything else?
Well, Abel's also here, but
I said that.
then I don't have anything else to say, I guess.
People are coming.
Abort.
They're coming. Okay.
Oh, I got it, but she didn't got it. Oh,
Did you get it? Oh, what?
wait, it'll come. It'll come.
It's like you count to. Let's get the. Okay. Thunder
Drama
Girls.
mama.